I just came from this basilica here called Basilica Papale San Paolo, fuori di Mura. I was able to go inside during Mass, and it was spectacular to say the least. This is apparently this is one of the most important basilicas in Rome. I think there's something like 4 very, very important basilicas, and I believe this is one of them. And it was quite the trek to get here. You know, I stopped at this was the last leg of my morning exploration, and on the way here I was my bladder was full, my feet were really starting to hurt, and I came from this direction here, and it was a very brutal walk. In the last 2 or 3 kilometers I was hurting a lot, but feel better now. And it was just coincidental that there's a washroom facility right here. It cost me €1 to get in, and the guy there was great. Explained to me how the washroom facility works so I don't look like a dumbass tourist. It's funny, he thought I was from Argentina. But now I'm on my way back. Hopefully I'll make it back, because my phone is about to die, and I brought my battery bank, but I didn't bring the damn cord, the USB cord to charge everything, and I'll figure something out. If worse comes to worse, I mean, I have this phone here that I'm recording with, and I'll switch the SIMs, and should be able to find my way back, or else I'll just have to get a taxi. I'm a long way from home, long way from the hotel here. So it's 11:21. I started shortly after 6. By the time I get home, who knows what time that will be, but probably be around noon. Well, no, it'll be way past noon, probably 1:30 or so. Okay, let's continue on with our journey.